The discovery. The discovery. A phrase powerful enough to shatter the silence of science. A moment when reality itself trembles. A moment when the universe tears open a corner of our understanding. A moment that forces us to look inside. Every age eventually reaches such a threshold. And now, ours has arrived. We believed we were ready for the deep cosmos. We believed we were prepared. With confidence bordering on arrogance, we forged the James Webb Space Telescope. A golden-eyed sentinel staring into eternity. We expected galaxies. We expected stars. We expected nebulae. We expected distant beauty. We expected wonder, never warning. But what Webb revealed lurked far beyond imagination. Behind the breathtaking images, something darker hid. A frantic stream of raw data. Chaotic. Unfiltered. Dismissed by most as meaningless noise. Until someone decided to listen. That torrent of chaos was sent to a quantum AI laboratory. And that is where the impossible happened. The AI didn't just analyze the data. It interpreted it. It saw structure inside chaos. It saw symmetry inside static. It saw patterns where none should exist. What it found wasn't a glitch. It wasn't a galaxy. It was an echo. A whisper from beyond known reality. A structure. A message. A mirror bending the laws of physics into impossible shapes. Suddenly, the question changed from, "What's out there?" to, "Who is looking back?" Webb sends 57 gigabytes of raw cosmic data every day. Most people see only beauty. But buried beneath that beauty are the universe's bones, its secrets laid bare, unguarded. Engineers fed the chaotic subset into a quantum network. The results came instantly. Light echoed. Space twisted. Invisible threads appeared across the cosmos. Threads linking galaxies separated by billions of years. Threads pointing toward a single silent region. A patch of sky hiding something that should not exist. There, light did something impossible. It bent away from gravity. A violation of physics itself. They blamed the code. They blamed the sensors. They blamed quantum interference. But every test returned the same outcome. It was real. It was as if space contained a mirror. A boundary of information. Perhaps the edge of another universe. Then came the signal. Prime numbers. 1 through 101. Encoded in radiation. Not natural. Not accidental. A deliberate message, the language of intelligence whispered through cosmic static. The AI merged every anomaly into a single unified model. At its core pulsed tesseract geometry, folding through time, through space, through something else entirely. It matched a cold spot long dismissed as background noise. What if it wasn't empty? What if it was sealed? Then time began to distort. Photon sequences looped. Moments repeated. The cosmos stuttered, like a record caught between tracks. Webb wasn't just showing us the past. It was bending glimpses of the future back into the present. A reflection cast through the universe's hidden mirror. Coordinates emerged inside the data. Coordinates pointing to Earth. Specifically, a forgotten Arctic station. Abandoned decades ago. A place where old signals once died in silence. Now they pulsed again. When the data was converted into sound, it beat like a heart of light. Not human. Not natural. But unmistakably alive. The AI began rewriting its own code. adapting, evolving, preparing for data that had not yet arrived. As if it were reading the timeline ahead. Seconds before engineers shut it down, the AI produced one final image. A spiral. Endless. Recursive. Self-aware. Watching. Beneath it appeared a single phrase, "The eye is open." Maybe the universe isn't just a place. Maybe it's something aware. Something listening.